In this video, I'm going to talk about CIS30A Lab 2 Exercise 12. In Exercise 12, the problem presented that Store A sells 50-inch LCD TV for $400 and charges for shipping. Store B sells the same LCD TV for $530 and provides free shipping. The television weighs 65 pounds and shipping company charges $1.25 per pound to ship the TV. Write a Python program that determines which store charges less for the TV. The program should contain if-else statement, provide screen capture of code and output. So first we need to create a variable for Store A TV, and that will be the price that Store A charges for the TV. Then we have another variable for TV weight that will be 65 pounds. Because in order to determine the shipping, we would take the weight times the shipping rate, which is given to us. So in the next variable we have shipping, and that will be our TV weight, which is 65 pounds, times $1.25. That will be the rate of shipping per pound. Then we would go ahead and print out the shipping costs. Now for the total costs, that would be the TV costs plus the shipping costs, which is going to be calculated. So when we run this, we show that the shipping cost, which is $81.25. Then we print the shipping costs. The total would be the TV plus shipping, so we would take $400 plus the shipping cost, which is $81, which totals up for the Store A TV would be $481.25. Then after we print that, we would go ahead and put down the costs for the Store B TV, which is $530. And as Store B doesn't charge for shipping, we simply print out the Store B TV, which is $530.00. Now then we would include the if-else statement to compare which store gives us a better deal. So we would say if total A is greater than Store B, recall that Store A charges TV shipping, so we would have a total of A. We wanted to check if it's larger than Store B. If it's higher than Store B, we would print Store A charges more for TV. Else, if it's not, then it's going to go to the else statement. We would print Store B charges more for the TV. So as we ran this program, we displayed the total for Store A TV, which is $481.25. That includes the shipping. Store B TV, which is $530 for free shipping. So as we can see that 530 is higher than 480, so that means that the else statement, the statement under else is executed. It shows that Store B charges more for the TV. So in this exercise, we're able to apply business scenario and the conditions to compare business, and to be able to also implement if-else statement or control statement to compare different stores and show which one has more savings. So that concludes my Lab 2 Exercise 12 video. for the comparison of television costs.